Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. For those of you who do not know, there was a PIA plane crash on Friday, and it was a very sad moment in PIA's history. Even Canada's weather is so bad, uh, they have frostbite and black ice during the winter weather, yet aeroplanes are flying normally. I'm not an expert in commercial aviation, but common sense prevails. I am sure the aeronautical engineers have a system in place to check the engine's diagnostics, for sure. To perform maintenance in hot weather is much easier than in weather of North America up in the winter weathers. Couldn't the aeroplane have been kept inside the hangar, etc.? If Canadian and Russian aircraft can be maintained in severe cold weather below zero temperatures, then why not hot weather of Pakistan? In some parts of Russia, in some days, the weather temperature drops below minus 30 degrees. So how can an aircraft of PIA have engine fault in normal warm temperatures, for instance? People should be motivated to work to the fullest of their jobs in aeronautical engineering. In this Eid, it is required that everyone, for the loss of the aircraft, give to the poor in any way to think about the overall benefits of our community. Well, that's all I'm going to say, and may all those who died may rest in peace, and inna Allahu wallahu rajoon, and hope to see you next video.